Hello, welcome to channel. How are you?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking me. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing well. Thank you so much for asking me. So we are meeting very first time, right? I really want to know about yourself. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sure, ma'am. My name is Kiran Sao. I'm from West Bengal. If I talk my
Mhm.
education, so I have done my BCom honors, and now I'm a homemaker, and simultaneously I'm a YouTuber and mother of two adorable
Okay.
boys. And if I talk my hobbies, so um, reading, cooking, and interact new people. These are my hobbies. So that's all about me, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I introduce myself? Do you know
Yeah,
about
ma'am.
me?
Yeah, ma'am. Just a brief introduce.
Okay. So as you know that my name is Mansi. I basically belong to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I have done master in English literature. Right now I'm pursuing PGCR. I'm preparing for government exam as well. I'm running my YouTube channel and I'm teaching as well. That's pretty much things what I'm doing in my life. If you really want to ask any other question, then of course you are free. You can ask me.
Yeah, so you are teaching in a school, ma'am?
No, I am like I provide a spoken lecture.
Okay, spoken lecture. At home? I think online?
Yes, from online and offline both.
Okay, ma'am. So, yeah, you are
Hmm.
doing multitask because you are now preparing for government job and running a YouTube channel. So, really, it's a big task.
Yes, I can say that as I am doing because I want to achieve lots of things in our life. So that's why I'm working. Earlier, I was preparing only for government exam. I was not that much consistent over a YouTube. But when I got opportunity of teaching, so I can say yes, I started working into that field as well. I think this is also very nice and wonderful professional.
Yeah, ma'am, definitely. And when did you start your YouTube journey, ma'am?
I have started my YouTube channel. I can say it's 2022.
Okay.
It's been, yeah, 3 years, but I was not consistent. Yeah. Like 1 year I posted one video, and after 1 year I posted second video. So that was my consistency. I was not consistent. But right now, I think these days in 2025, I maintained my consistency and I am uploading a regular videos. But I think it's still in 2026 on January, I upload only a eight video. Like whole month, I upload only a eight video. And today, I think what is today? It's 28, right? 29, I think.
Yeah, 29.
29.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, when I started my journey of YouTube, so that time I was not that much consistent. But now I'm trying to be consistent because consistency is very important for a YouTuber.
Hmm.
And if we don't have consistency, so we can't achieve our goal, I can say. So that is very
Right.
important thing.
So, so what is the channel name?
Yeah, my channel name is English with Kiran. I have, yeah, ma'am. I will send you. Okay. I think say
Of course, you
yeah,
will send me link.
ma'am, I have send you, I think, when I send you email.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. So
Okay, but I didn't find it about it. Okay, after this conversation, I will check about your channel and all other things, what you are doing. Okay, tell me, like, as you are learning English, yeah, what is the intention to learn this language?
yeah, now recently just I want to learn this language. Then after when I get my fluency, then I will start
Hmm.
something, maybe institute, coaching center like. Then
Okay,
recently I have a
okay,
only goal to get my fluency. So that's why I created my own
okay, to be
channel.
a very fluent.
Yeah, ma'am. Because
Hmm. So, do you believe in fluency? What do
yeah,
you think? What is the more important for learning English? Fluency, accuracy, yeah, confidence.
three things are important, ma'am. Because
Okay.
yeah,
What? Mhm.
yeah. If I talk myself, so I think yeah, uh, I am totally Hindi background. Okay, but I did my graduation only English version, and then I left my study for 10 years. And now I'm working on my communication skill because I felt that it is very important for me.
Hmm.
That's why I'm working on my communication skill. And now we can say it's been 8 months, 8 to 9 months. I have been working in
Okay.
communication skill. So I think I can say that little bit I can see changes in my side. So
Okay.
yeah,
That's I can see this is the reality when we work now. So of course we will get something. We will
yeah,
see our improvement and comparison as well, right? Because if we are working, that's really very better too. We will achieve something. So of course
yeah.
we should start working at least, right?
Yeah. So every single day I'm trying to learn something new word and phrases. But being a homemaker, I have a lot on my plate. So that's why it is not possible for me
Hmm.
to do everything, like reading, writing, speaking, and um, last thing I think reading, writing, speaking, and one thing I forgot. So
Listening,
yeah, yeah.
listening.
Sorry, ma'am. Yeah, listening. So there is
No
four
issue.
pillar. There are four pillar for
Hmm.
learning English language, but I just try to be listening and reading, listening and speaking. I focus only because
Okay.
yeah, and after I think 1 month I will start speaking, reading also, because reading is very
Hmm.
important for learning English language. So I
I
will,
can say reading is also not my cup of tea, but just because of importance, I am reading.
yeah.
Just because
So
of
ma'am,
because I think reading gives something special. Hmm.
yes, ma'am. I want to ask a question to you. How much reading and writing are important for learning English language, ma'am?
Reading and writing. Yeah,
Yeah.
listening as well.
Yeah, ma'am. Listening and speaking, I do every single day. Okay,
Hmm.
but it is not possible for me writing and reading. So I want to know
Okay.
that writing and reading, how much is important for us.
Okay. I think that is very much important sometime, and sometime it's not important. It's depend to person to person. If it comes to me, I basically belong to Hindi medium background. And if we talk about reading is not my cup of tea. So I cannot read more and more. So whatever today I'm speaking by the help of listening only. So if your strength area is listening, so there's a no need to know, just force yourself, just impose yourself. No, I have to read. I have to read. At how you are imposing yourself, you are giving a burden over your mind, so you cannot learn language. You can develop this habit, but you cannot learn, you cannot feel a comfortable. Okay, so find out your strength, what is your strength area, just do effort at that area, then you will achieve everything whatever you are thinking. And after that, like later on, you should start reading, because we cannot deny this fact, no, reasoning is not important, but I think initial age, when you are not fond of, when you don't have any idea how to read and what should we read, so at that time whatever you have strength, just strong, just make a strong of that part. The same things I did, because in a starting time, if anybody suggests me, Mansi, you should start reading first. And if I start reading, so I'm damn sure I would not be able to speak in English. So I listen a lot, because my strength part is that. Okay, but now I'm trying to reading just because of to my writing process, because reading gives you a thought, like you generate your thoughts by the help of reading, right? So that how I just want to read, that how I just want to things. And if it comes to writing, like writing, it's important, but for those people who wants to write something, who wants to create their poetry and all other things, that all are things, writing is important. But only for communication skills we are using a writing, so I think no, it's not helpful if you're not interested about this habit and all our things. So make sure whatever your good part, you should start from there, work at it, and later on you should start reading and writing as well. Okay, it's not compulsory, no, you have to do that. Without both a habit, you cannot speak in English and all our things. No, that ought not, because today I'm speaking English by through the listening only. To be honest, I didn't read more. Like only I read only my academic subject, my schooling, my college. That all are subject I have completed my syllabus only just because of through reading. Otherwise, I didn't read any book. But I think 2026 now I'm good at. listening and all other things. So I started reading just because of to generating my point of view and thoughts. So yeah, that is answer. Maybe answer is wrong.
Yeah, ma'am. I likewise I started my journey by listening because I
Hmm.
used to listen a lot, and by listening I tried to speak. Then after now I am able to speak, and I can say that now I'm able to articulate my thought. So I'm not
Hmm.
that much into reading and writing, ma'am. So to be honest,
Hmm.
so that's why I asked you, what is the important of reading and writing, ma'am?
Yeah, important. Important. Everything is important.
Yeah,
Everything
everything
is
is.
backbone. Yeah, but it's totally depend to person where you should go.
Yeah.
Okay, and where you want to go, and where you want to go. So you have to choose your own path. There's a no need to like you can take a suggestion from others, but your mind is really different. Okay, your mind perspective, your mind thinking process is totally different. So it's totally up to us what we have. Like everybody is not good at math. Like if it comes to me, yeah, it's come to me. I'm not good at math. I'm not able to solve the proper sums, right? But I'm good at to count money. So there's a quality between a math and counting a money. So that's why I think we should like required what the area eh, in ourself in is strong, and then start working in that field. And of course the intention is that we have to speak in English. Anyhow we have to speak in English. So what is the reason behind to learn reading, sorry, to start reading, writing? No, if you are good at, if you are fond of writing, then you can write it. There's a no any compulsion. No, you cannot write, and you cannot, and you have to write. No, but it's totally depend to person what they wants to do, what they want to do.
Yeah, true, ma'am. I totally agree with you,
Yes.
ma'am. So, ma'am, I want to, yeah,
Okay.
I'm very curious to know about your journey, ma'am. That how did you started? Because you told me you are from Hindi background. So, how did you started?
Mm-hmm.
And what type of challenges did you
I
face?
started from the very basic, I can say, very scratches point, like zero. I was nil at that time when I started. I didn't know how to speak, how to form the sentence. And after that, I started. Even I used to hate this language too much. This story I have told many times in my each and every videos. So that's why I don't want to elaborate it. But yeah, I should like I have started from the very scratch, from the very zero, where I didn't know where what we have, like which helping verb we have to use. That types of condition of mine. But just because of teaching, that was a thing, that was a challenging task which I took it, and that helped me a lot to improve myself. And today I'm improving. I'm not considering myself, no, I am a perfect speaker, yeah, I'm speaking very good. No, even I make a lot of mistake while speaking. So I'm just walking. I am between my journey. So yes, the journey is going so far, and I don't know like kitna dur ye jayegi, but of course I am still in my journey.
Okay, ma'am. So, teaching is the good habit. If you teach someone, s- if you teach someone, that is we are able to gain some knowledge, right?
Yes, I
So,
can say teaching is the fastest way to
yeah.
learn something. Hmm.
Yeah, definitely. Teaching is the good things. I know because
Yes, I think. Hmm.
yeah. Actually, you know what, ma'am? Everything is good. I know, but being a
Hmm.
homemaker, I don't have much time to do something different, right? But now my
Hmm.
children are not that much older, so that is why
Hmm.
they are just younger. I have two kids. Both are nine. For my elder one 9 year, and my younger one is 7 year old. So that is why
Hmm.
little bit I'm now these day busy. And after getting over
Hmm.
of my kids exam, then after I will start reading because I feel now I'm able to articulate my thought just a
Hmm.
little bit. But when I start my reading practice, then I will elaborate something in a
Hmm.
particular topic, right? So
Right.
yeah,
Hmm.
I feel now I'm feeling this type of thing that I'm getting stuck. Sometimes I make mistake, so it
Hmm.
will be help to if I start my journey of reading, then it will be help me.
Yes.
Yeah.
It will help you, but I think one thing I would love to add here, reading is important. Written can generate your thoughts, but make sure whatever we are going to read, we are able to understand at least a little bit. Okay, please don't start reading from the very toughest areas like news, editorial,
Yeah, ma'am, I read only children book. Hello?
motivation things. Are you there?
Your video is stuck. Please repeat, ma'am, because
Yes.
your video is stuck.
Yes, same times in your side. I
Yeah.
was okay. Now it is okay. We can read because if we start na editorial and news, so of course we are going to bore. Because if anybody's those person who are not fond of reading, if they start reading, if they want to start reading, so make sure they should start from the interesting area. Then they can make their habit into that field, right? Otherwise, it's really very boring task. For me, it's very boring task.
Yeah, ma'am. For me also. Sometimes,
Okay.
I read only children books, like 2, 3, 4.
And that's a good thing, I can say.
I don't have any that much book like
Hmm.
that we I don't understand this type of book. I don't keep. I just
Hmm. I
only
think this in a starting time we should need such types of book where we can make our command, where we can understand what is written in this book, right? And we are able to understand, we are able to generating our thoughts. We are able to capture the words and all our things. People say just read, read, read. It doesn't matter you are able to understand or not, but it matters a lot, I can say. I face these things. If I'm not able to understand what the written in the book, so of course I cannot create my interest for a very long time. And if I'm able to understand what is the story, what is the perspective of this story, and I can make my I can generate my thoughts, so of course it will help. So that's why I'm just suggesting these things. If you really want to start reading, so make sure start very short stories, moral stories, motivation, where you can create your interest, right? Hmm. Okay, is there any other question would you like to ask me?
no, ma'am. I don't have. If you have, then
Okay,
just
so as you mentioned, you belong to, I think you are from West Bengal, right? So how's the weather of the West Bengal?
yeah. Today's weather is pleasant, ma'am.
Okay, it's not cold.
No, no, it's not cold. Cold. It's I think cold is easy. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I think in Kanpur weather is incrementing because I can say last 2 days we it's been raining here.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, in my side there is no rain. So,
Okay,
ma'am, do
you
you
are
like
lucky.
to go party, ma'am? Do you like?
I think I like, but not all the time. I think it depends to situation. Like if any
Your
person
mood.
who are
Your
yeah,
mood,
if
I
like
think.
if sorry, can you repeat it?
Yeah, ma'am. I told you that it depends on your in your mood. That if you
Yeah,
want, yeah.
that's true. Yeah, like no, I'm not very curious to know no any party I received and I have to go. No, I think it depend on the situation at that time. Whatever the mood I have, if I want to go there, then of course I will visit it. Otherwise, not that compulsion. No, I have to do and all our things I have to do. So I whether be do you like parties?
Sometime, ma'am. Not all time. Sometime,
Okay.
if
Huh, yeah, I think
yeah, in a
the
uh,
closest person. If
yeah,
there anything
yeah.
else, then of course we
Then
will
of
want to
course
visit.
I want to go. Otherwise, I want to skip
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
it some if you give time for giving going to party, so sometimes it feel waste of time. Yeah, sometimes it's good,
Right.
sometimes it's not good. So it's depend
Yes, if
your
yes, that's
situation.
true. Like if you think na, if that party is important for me, without me, that will not be possible for their families and all our things. The family function, yeah, any other occasion, the closest person, the friend, very closest. So there we need no, we have to go there. So at how we will go. Otherwise, all parties I never join.
Definitely, ma'am.
And I think right now, these days, I escape from the relatives. I don't know why, but I escape from the relatives.
Yeah, ma'am. This day I want to confine myself into four wall because I want to learn. So that is why I don't
Maybe this
want to go
reason.
outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my compulsion because my husband goes office, goes working place in the morning and comes back
Mm.
evening. So that's why. for every work, like outside work, I have to go. That is my compulsion, but I don't like to go outside. I just want to stay at home. But sometimes it
Hmm.
my children fell fall sick, and otherwise maybe something I have to buy. So that's why I have to go
Mhm.
outside. Otherwise, I don't like to go outside because these
Okay,
days
so how
I
many
think,
session you have been done over a
yeah,
YouTube?
this is my
The
first
same.
session
This
today.
is your first session?
Yeah, ma'am. In the morning, just
Okay.
yeah. In the morning, I just prepared lunch and breakfast, and then I
No, no, no. I'm not asking about only today. Like how many sessions you have been
okay.
done earlier as well?
Sorry, ma'am,
Yeah.
I couldn't understand that time. Yeah,
Okay, no issue.
I don't that much. I think 20 maybe till yeah. So far,
20
it is
session.
20. Yeah,
Okay, it's a number of session you have done.
yeah, 20. Nah, not
Uh,
exact because
mm.
I have short memory. I don't remember it.
Okay.
But I,
Okay, okay.
as per my knowledge, I think 20 session I have completed so far.
Okay, no issue.
And what about
So I
you?
think this is a that's true. I'm not able to recall the how many session I have been done because in that conversation field I am for a very long time, so I'm not able to count it how many session I have been
Same.
done. So yeah.
Likewise, I don't remember that. Last day, what what are the things I have done? I forgot. So I think I have a short
Okay.
memory. I don't remember that much. I always
No, no, I don't have short memory, but into when it comes to conversation, so it's difficult to count it because in that field I am for many, I think for many long time. So I don't know how many sessions. Maybe it's 200 plus.
oh,
So yeah, yeah. So that's why I'm saying. Otherwise, I have very elephant memory. To be honest, I'm able to recall the things for very long time. If like that's why I said now I am a auditory person. I listen a lot and a lot. So whatever you are saying in front of to me, whatever who are you, I recall for like I can recall for very long time. So yeah, I am like I have an elephant memory.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, ma'am. So
Yes.
sometimes, mainly I forgot face. If I,
Okay.
yeah, ma'am, if I don't see a person like a long time, 1 year, 2 year, if
Okay.
sometimes it's happened,
So do you don't
yeah,
think this is a big problem in you?
yeah,
I
ma'am.
think you should recall it now.
No, ma'am. Means someone maybe I don't watch, don't see 4 year, 5 year, like 1 2 year
Okay.
I remember, but 4 5 year
Okay.
continuously I don't see them. Okay, so that
Hmm.
time if someone come in front of me and he told me, so I saw who is. Sometimes it's happened because
Okay.
when I
I think that things happen when you meet a different
one
types of
time.
people,
Yeah,
right?
ma'am. Yeah, yeah. Relatives, I
It's happened.
recognize them.
Hmm.
Relatives, I can recognize them. But when it's come to, neighbor, because when I
Okay.
got married, that time I just
Hmm.
daughter-in-law. Okay. And I
Hmm.
was not able to see everyone in my neighbor. Okay. And
Hmm.
now I am living nuclear family. So if some in the market, if someone come in front of me and they ask me, so that time I forgot who is when I said. So this is my. I mean, I
Okay.
can say that that time I totally into the puzzle that who is he.
Hmm.
That things happened with
That
me.
was a complex situation for
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Like you are not able to understand
yeah.
who that person
Hmm.
and where I
Because
met that person
yeah, because I
and
think that time
okay.
I was a daughter-in-law and I most of time I used
Hmm.
to live at home and people
Okay.
they know me. Okay, they know me very well, but I
Hmm.
don't know I don't know them because of I never means alternatively I never saw them. Okay, so that is why something
Hmm.
it's happened with me. It just back 1 week I think, 1 week back someone come in front of me. Okay, and he told me, how are you? So I who are you? Then my child, that time my child 5 year old, and now he is
Hmm.
9 year old. He told me, Mama, he is staying in. He is our neighbor. That when we
Okay.
live in our joint family. So that time
Hmm.
my children, my elder one, he remind, he recalled that yeah, he is my neighbor. He was my neighbor,
Hmm.
but I forgot.
Okay.
Something it's happened with me.
Okay, this happened with, I think you are
Yeah,
a daughter-in-law. That's why the thing happened, because for the
yeah.
daughter-in-law, it's very difficult to understand who are in our neighbor, who are living in next to us. So it's difficult. I can understand this thing,
Now
but
I'm able
like,
to understand that yeah, because if someone live surround me, then now I'm able to recognize it. But that time I think being
okay.
at home, being staying at home, that
Hmm.
is why I was not able to recognize it.
Yes, because that was not your intention. Na? You have to make the
Yeah, yeah,
relation of that person, because you are
yeah,
living, you have been living your joint family. So there is the work of that father-in-law and mother-in-law, right?
yeah,
I think
yeah.
daughter-in-law,
I
the such
think
as of work is not there. I can understand. Okay,
yeah.
that's not a big deal. I think everybody do. Everybody does such types of
Yeah,
things.
so I think that I thought that time maybe I have a short memory or I
No, no, this is not a short memory, because you didn't give the proper attention of that
yeah,
person. That's why you
attention.
are not able to recall. That things happen with everyone, I can say. If I met any one person and who are looking at me, anybody is looking at me, I'm not able to giving attention, then of course I will get
Yeah,
forget this person if we meet
yeah,
the
that
second
is
time, because I am not at that time I was not giving the proper attention to you. So how can I be able to recall it? Yeah, but the short memory is that when you meet any one person, you talk that person for very long time, like 1 hour 2 hour to talk that person. After that, tomorrow you forget that person. That is a short memory, I can
no,
say.
no, this is not happened with me. I just
Yes.
yeah, I have already mentioned that if a
Hmm.
person just one 2 minute, I just talk, and then after
Hmm.
1 2 year, if I meet uh, that person, that time I forgot. So
Okay.
every many person remind me that yeah, I have met you. So this happened with me.
Okay. No issue. So don't feel I am a celebrities. That's why I forget the.
Again, video is stuck. Hello.
Again, you are jerk.
Yeah, mom. Again, it's yeah. Now it's
Okay.
okay.
Now it's okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Any other question would you like to ask me?
No, ma'am. I think I have already shared with you my
Done.
experience. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Do you
Okay,
have,
no
ma'am?
issues. No, I also don't have any other question which I have to ask you. Of course, we will connect for the next time for the top with the topic. Then we will talk a lot and ask the questions like. So till then, it's really very nice conversation with you. I enjoyed
Yeah.
while having you. So thank you so much for joining me today. So have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving your precious time. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.